So this is a gas cap from the local Parts Plus that is made for a '69 Chevy C10, I'm sure among many other vehicles. It rolls really nice. It does other good things too. It has its own vent system and a really good gasket. And the best thing about it, I guess other than being made in Taiwan, is that it's $5.02. What's also really cool is that it fits wheel horse tractors. You can scuff it and paint it. You can leave it just as is. So we have a few of the 953 1054s, a couple of filthy old round hoods, and the caps all fit. So why am I telling you that there's a gas cap that fits your tractor? So just because it fits does not mean that it will work the way it comes. This vent system has a couple springs inside with a little check valve. And our little fuel pumps are not powerful enough to break that vacuum for the vent. So with the biggest pair of pliers you have, if you just unbend those little tabs, it will come apart. Okay, now with a decent sized screwdriver, you can just pop that little retainer out. There's just three little clips that you can pop out. Looks just like that. So by removing that big spring, it allows just enough wiggle room between that black piece and the yellow piece, and that way it'll actually vent. It gives a little bit of airflow in, but it doesn't allow much out or anything out, and it works very well. So then you just set this piece back down in there along with your retaining ring. Hold that all down in there while you bend those tabs back. Now you have a fuel cap for your tractor with a very weak fuel pump. Or this even works just for gravity feed. So putt-putt, even though it's got a nipple down to a fuel bowl, the tank level is still higher than the carburetor level. There's no fuel pump at all on this engine. It's just enough gravity to keep everything happy. This is what you normally get when you find an old round hood that has a gas cap, is that the seal is all shrunken and moved around, and it doesn't actually seal anymore. So I'm going to replace that one and make that happy again. Here we go. It's all put back together. It'll hold tight, but it'll still vent, and that's what we want. So with any luck, I'm holding on to the exhaust, so this is stone cold. With any luck, this will fire off the same way every time and stay running.